Friends, important vsaqs find the domain of the following function. First function f of x is equals to 1 by 6x minus x square minus 5. So given the function is in the denominator, if the denominator value is equal to 0, what will be? Infinity. So here it should not be denominator value 0. So that we have to take denominator is not equal to 0. X square coefficient negative is there, send it to right side. It will be what? Positive, negative, positive. For this factorization, 5 factors are 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 addition is gives 6. So minus 5 minus 1 will give you minus 6. Minus into minus plus. Then commonization of x, commonization of minus table. Then commonization of x minus y. So either x value is not equal to 1 or 5. So domain is all the real numbers except 1 comma 5. Next, the question is under root of x square minus 1 plus 1 by under root of x square minus 3x plus 2. So here two different types of functions are there in this problem. So for numerator root is there, for denominator root is there. For numerator root, the condition is greater than or equal to 0 because root 0 answer is 0. Root of positive answers are exist, but root of negative answers are imaginary. So root whenever it is giving, it should be greater than or equal to 0 condition. And here also, if you take is equals to 0, 1 by 0 will give infinity. So you should not take 0, only greater than condition for the denominator root. Then a square minus b square formula application, and here factorization. So a plus b into a minus b, and here taking common of x, then you are getting 1 and 2, and here minus 1 and 1. And greater than or equal to 0 means the solution is minus infinity to plus 1, but in between minus 1 to 1 only the elements exist. In between the minus 1 and 1 it won't be exist. So here start from minus infinity to minus 1, then again start from 1 to infinity, and greater than or equal to symbol is there, so you have to use closed bracket symbol. Next here only greater than symbol, so you have to take here minus infinity to plus infinity, but greater than means here 1 to 2 it won't be exist, so 1 comma 2 it will be, and open brackets we have to use. Why? Because only greater than symbol. So common is what? Minus 1 up to minus 1, and from plus 2 to infinity. Next, under root of mod x minus 1. 1 by under root means it is only greater than 0. So minus will go to right side. So it is the indirectly all the positive minus infinity to 0. Now the question is root of x plus 2 1 by log of. So here root means greater than or equal to 0. So x values are greater than or equal to minus 2, means it is start from minus 2 to infinity. And here logarithm means greater than 0, but denominator logarithm na. So if suppose log 1 value is what? 0. 1 by 0 means infinity. So these values are greater than 0 but not 1. So 1 minus x is greater than 0 but not equal to 1. So 1 gets cancelled, x value is not equal to 0, and here 1 is greater than x means x values are less than 1. So coming here both the answers na minus 2 to infinity and 1, or but in between 0 is coming na, so except 0 means all the real numbers except 0 also we can conclude. Next, very important problem. Root of 3 plus x, root of 3 minus x by x. So it is in the numerator only greater than or equal to 0, numerator greater than or equal to 0, denominator value is not equal to 0. Here roots are there, so greater than or equal to, and here denominator x values is not equal to 0. So sending 3 to right side, it is what? X value is greater than minus 3, and sending x to right side, and indirectly x is less than 3. So it is lies between 3 to minus 3 to plus 3, but not 0. Next, under root of 4x minus x square, numerator under root. So it is greater than or equal to 0 condition. So here 0 is greater than or equal to, so 4x minus x square is greater than or equal to 0, sending minus part to right side. So indirectly it is less than or equal to 0. Taking x table common, so x after nothing is there, 0 we can write. So it is less than or equal to 0. So x lies between 0 to 4, and is equals to symbol is there, you have to use the closed bracket. Next, log of numerator is there, so it is greater than 0 only. So 3 factors are 3 ones are 3 and 1 addition is 4. So factorization here, then smaller value is alpha, bigger value is beta. So greater than means it is bigger solution, So minus infinity to plus infinity, but in that 1 to 3 numbers not exist. So up to 1 union 3 to plus infinity. Next, f of x is equal to under root of x square minus 25. Important problem again here. Under root is there, so greater than or equal to 25 we can write it as 5 square. So a plus b into a minus b formula. So x after minus should be, so plus we can write as minus into minus. So it is greater than or equal to means it is lies in the between bigger solution, but greater than symbol and equal to is there, so you have to use the closed bracket. And next log of, so greater than 0 only again. So step x, so step x means what? It is non-integer. So all the real numbers except the integers. Next, 1 by log 2 minus x. So 1 by log means the function is greater than 0 but not equal to 1. So it is x values are less than 2. Next here x values are not equal to 1. So less than 2 means minus infinity to up to 2. In between 1 will come now, but it should not be 1 now. So minus element 1. Next, 1 by x square minus a square is greater than 0. So a square minus b square only greater than 0 because 1 by is there. So a plus b into minus b. So alpha value is minus a, beta value is plus a. So lies between minus infinity to minus a and a to infinity. Now very important problem. So 1 by x square minus 1 x plus 3 means 1 by function means it is not equal to 0 because it will be infinity now if it is 0. So not equal to 0. So here a plus b into a minus b formula. So x values are not equal to all the real numbers except